Hi everyone, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK, and in today's video I'm going to show you a new website which is very powerful and the services are more cheaper than FiverrClerks, Fiverr's, Upwork or any freelance websites. So as you can see here, this website, it has got some pages. How it looks like, you can see here the gigs, and I'm just going to show you some features what they have got. New jobs you can see on the left hand side, featured ones you can see here, like it is like you see here featured, and verified people are like verified, those are verified users. So popular jobs and latest news. Here you can find the blogs on the left hand side. Right hand side, there are so many other gigs you can buy at a very low cost, like as you can see here, $1, $10, $5. Yeah, here you go. So these kind of information, and if you see what they are giving you in there, we just click here on this gig, and then we see here the images about the gig, the prices. You can see the $5, what they are doing and what they are providing. If you find anything not in your budget, you can click here and then send an offer to the seller. Then they can see which package you are interested in, and either they can do or not. But this is a good option that you can talk to them and send them an offer by clicking this button. Here you will see the description. If you want to share this link to your friends and family or someone, just copy this link and send or share via social network or send by email. As you can see, this is about the description. Here the things why we need to choose them. About the seller, here you can find the ratings of this gig and recommendation for you. So these are the recommended gigs. Also you can check if you are interested in, and as I said, this is a good thing that you can click here and say, for example, this is a standard, but you have less money in your pocket or budget is not suitable, so you can send a offer and then tell about which gig you are talking about, that they can give you a discount price. So I think this video will be very interesting and you will love it, because these kind of things I always bring to my subscribers, that they will get benefit of the new things, new websites, new features, and also make some good money. So now we go back to homepage. So I will give you an overview. So as you have seen this gig section, here it is blog section and some other websites, useful links, useful websites about them. If you want to join their newsletters, you can click leave your email address here, as it is showing email address here. So you just put your email address and join. So they will give you some discounts, some other updates straight away into your inbox before anyone else get. I just registered myself, so I will show you how it works. So as you can see here, there are two different sections, which is one is sign in and another one is register. So once you click on register, you come up on this page. And on this page, very few things you just need to set: your full name, your email address, your password, and username. So for example, your username, I set it up my account, so I'm here, my username is era24. For example, if I click here and I show you, you can see here who is the user. So here you can see this is the username, user profile. If you want to click, you can click here. So here you will find more information about the user. So here it is your username, and views, whatever your gigs has been watched, about you here on the right hand side. Here you can see to add friends or block user if someone is annoying you. So this is the information is about how you your username. So username you can put here and then select this and then create an account. After selecting accepting the terms and condition, I think, yeah, it is invisible, but you have to click this one. Here is a small box, and then create account. After creating an account, you will receive a link, verifying link in your email inbox. So just click on this link and then you are ready to go. So after this process, now we are going to sign up because you are authorized. So just give your email address and your password and then click on sign in. After sign in, you see this is the dashboard. So what do you want to do? You will see on the left hand side what options are there: dashboard, my orders, my jobs, messages, friends, balance and invoices, and settings. This is all about your this account. So if you want to boost your gig for 24 hours or more than 24 hours, I think, you can just click here, boost me, and then they will offer you some of your gigs. Those can be sell very well. So if you like to be searched, I mean on search engine quickly or on their website, get boosted. Once you click here, then you have to pay for the boost. Either you can pay by PayPal or Stripe, or by your credit card, on both of them. So this is the post job. You can post a job or service, whatever service you are selling. So I have already made so many services, but I can show you an example one. So once you click here, you click on create a new job. Now you just give a title. You just choose the category. For example, I just give test is good, for example, and category I choose this is business. Subcategory is business plan. Continue. This is all done. Now your location, where you are located. So click here. If you don't see here your country, you can select. If it is not, then leave as it is, no need to worry about, and then continue. Next. Here you can give your description. Testing. Normally you have to give at least 800 words, but this is a demo purpose. I'm just creating a gig that you can understand how you can run your own services. Here you can give a keyword you can see which is the business, so you can say business, enter, and so on. You can give other business, for example plan, and then enter. So now you have got your own keywords. What are you, why we need to choose you? So I am a creative mind, flexible, I'm a good listener, team player, for example, or you can choose more than that. So click on next. Now you can create your first custom gigs. The same like in on Fiverr, you see basics, standard, and premium. So here you can create the basic one first, and the basic one price you give here. How many days you will complete in, give here. What about this basic gig you are providing? So you can give here in description. If you want to add on, so you can add on, for example I will do for $1 something to make some change to upload or to set up a logo, for example. So whatever you have, just give here the description and then leave it on. But if you don't want to any add-on, you can just click here, delete, and it will not be showing up. So FAQs, if you have any FAQs for your customers, you can give a title that what do I need to start for this gig. So I need a business plan. You can say something, what do I need to start this order, and then you give here answer, I need the copy of your plan, or for example any document, copy of your document. So this will be counted as a FAQ, no need to do anything. And then you go available, status of your job, next. Here you can give media, whatever pictures you want to upload, and the pictures format will be supported JPEG, PNG only. So you have to keep an eye with this, and then just upload. Videos link if you have got any, audio link if you have got any, otherwise leave it as it is, next. Now you want to go for upgrades. If you want to show your service or gig in featured, you can click this one, or sponsored, you can click this one, and it will show you for how long. So information is here, select as per your requirement, summary. Now you see what your gig required. So your gig is created now, expiry date never expires, how many people have viewed, obviously it is not published, so it is showing 0. Status, right now status is pending approval because you did not submit it. So now we are going to submit. So first we reCAPTCHA, we are going to just tick here, it is selected now, and then save it. So please upload an image. I didn't upload any image, so that's why it is showing. So you need to do that, and then the same process. Or you can go by clicking here, like basics, whatever you, maybe you would want to edit your description, so you can go by clicking here straight away. No need to go by next or back these buttons. So you can use these buttons like media section, media. So I just need to go and finish. I will click finish. So you are on finish, as you can see, and then you have to save. So once you will save, then straight away your gig will be approved. Now I go back to my account and I show you how the gigs looks like. So in my jobs, I have got now 20 gigs. So I will click here. So here you can see my all gigs, and they are live, not in pending or in draft. So live if they are, anyone can come and buy this product for $5. So the same way you can check the statistics. So once you click here, you will see how is the graph, how many people are watching, how many people were, or whenever you have created this. So I recently started, so it is growing now, and it has got a 19 views, which is not bad, very good. And the same way, like you can also register free of charge and create your own gigs. So this is the way you will see your all gigs. And there is another pagination or breadcrumb, we say. So the page 1, page 2, you can click by clicking this here. You go on page 2, and then here you can see this is the last page, and here you will click to come back. I think I have covered everything. If you have any question or anything you want to talk, yeah, before I go, I will tell you how will you be setting up your account, so which will help you in settings. We will click in settings. Here they have got some sections. Username, if you want to change or set it up, you can set it up. Password, email, phone number. About you can write about your services, who you are. Preferences, basic details, and I think I have covered everything. And yeah, if you are not interested in leaving your account, so you can click here, and then it will be deleted in 30 days. So everything is very beautifully set it up on this website. You can also have your own banner. My banner is this one, so you can have your own banner, whichever you like. Yeah, and same way the avatar. My one is Era24 UK, so I've got this one. You can choose any one of them if you don't have your own avatar. Yes, so if there is any still question, you can drop me a comment and I will get back to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and share my video to others and help them out before they are going to close this opportunity, because right now it is free and soon they will be start charging you a fee. But I don't think so that they will be charging, because all freelancers are giving for buyers an opportunity to buy for free, and sellers always pay a little commission. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye bye.